Hello, Port Harcourt, and welcome to the STARTITUP show, another edition. And we're here in Port Harcourt, and we discuss everything startups and technology, talking about how we can make the world a better place, starting from Port Harcourt. And so on the STARTITUP show, we're always interested in everything startups and technology. And for the past quarter into this new quarter, we've been talking about things you can do in tech to make money in order to cushion the effect of the economic hardship that everybody seems to be feeling. though work is on ground to see that things become better. And our hope is alive. Our hope is alive. Okay, so we're looking at tech money, things you can do in tech as passive income or active income in order to make money. We've looked at different things you can do, ranging from drop shipping, freelancing, video editing, project management, printing. We've looked at different things you can do. You can check it up on our YouTube channel. But in today's edition, we're looking at a topic that carries a little more controversy. But this topic is a sensitive topic, and it has a lot of failure stories as much as it has a lot of success stories. And so we're looking at certain details that can help guide someone that is getting into it. We're talking about the world of cryptocurrency. Anytime you hear the word cryptocurrency, it carries some sort of controversy, even for me, right? But I believe when you understand what it is, then you can better take advantage of it, right? So today we have two guests in our show, and the guests are going to talk to us about how you can make money in tech using cryptocurrency. The first guest on our show is a guest from downtown, and as we know, they are also in the cryptocurrency market. Please introduce yourself.
Yeah, thank you very much. My name is Chimene China, and I am the Chief Operating Officer of Downtown. Downtown is a crypto exchange company that offers crypto on-ramp services and also crypto off-ramp services. How do I mean? We offer users the ability to convert their crypto to fiat, be naira, or to convert their fiat to cryptocurrency.
Okay, so please introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Patrick Becom. I'm into crypto trading, and I'm also a crypto investor. So I do mostly on memes coins, and I trade any kind of coin.
Okay, so nice introducing yourself. Something funny just happened. The moment you mentioned crypto investor, I thought of Sabinos. I don't know why the whole investor
is our ambassador.
Oh, it's an ambassador of Downtown.
Yeah,
Okay, so I think of Sabinos whenever I think of investor, but I hope you're not that investor.
No.
Okay. Now, moving forward, please, let me start with you.
Okay.
Please, help us understand, what is this cryptocurrency? Now listen, a lot of people listening to the show here may not know what cryptocurrency is. They may have heard of it in different ways, but in very simple terms, to somebody that has not heard of it before or does not understand what it is, quickly tell us, what is this cryptocurrency?
Okay, so
without using any big word.
Yes, I'll try my best to make it as simple as possible.
Okay.
But before I say this, let me just address what you said earlier, that whenever people hear about cryptocurrency, they're always scared. The reason why we are having that is because of poor education penetration, right? Over a period of years, whenever people hear cryptocurrency, they only look at it from the point of these pyramid schemes and stuff like that. Would you blame them? Because most of the pyramid schemes actually used cryptocurrencies as their vehicle, right? But it doesn't mean that the world of cryptocurrency is just streamlined to pyramid scheme, right? So that is one big problem we're having in the industry. And because people have lost money, whenever they hear cryptocurrency, they see it as a sham, right? As a pyramid scheme and stuff like that, which is very, very wrong. Okay. It's way deeper than that. And then coming to your question about cryptocurrency, yes. What is cryptocurrency? So cryptocurrencies are basically digital assets.
I say don't use any big words.
Okay. Let me just use from your topic. Cryptocurrencies or cryptocurrency is an e-money, electronic money.
Okay.
Right? So the same way you have your naira, the same way you have your dollar, which is used as a means of value exchange. Now, unlike the cryptocurrencies, Naira is tangible. You can
Yes,
touch
it's
it, you can
cash.
feel it.
Yes.
It's cash,
Okay.
right? Dollar,
It's physical.
it's physical,
Physical,
right?
yes.
So okay, then the gold is physical, it's tangible. You can feel it.
Okay, and you can trade
You can
with gold.
trade with gold,
Okay.
right? So, but for cryptocurrencies, it's not tangible. It's electronic, right? But it has and holds value.
Okay.
Right,
So
so that-
let me break it down because I see you have too many degrees. So it's still difficult for you to break it down. What you mean is Naira is a paper. You can hold it and use it to buy and sell stuff.
Exactly.
Right?
Exactly.
Trade.
Yeah.
Gold is also something you can hold to
Yeah.
buy and sell stuff.
Yeah.
Trading. But cryptocurrency is a money that is online,
Online, yes, exactly.
which means you can't print it out.
You can't.
It is online and people use it online
Yes, exactly.
to buy and sell things
Things,
online.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. Okay, so let's go on to you now. How did you get into cryptocurrency?
Okay. How do I get into cryptocurrency?
Yes, how did you start?
How did I start?
Yes,
in,
your journey in
cryptocurrency?
cryptocurrency.
Okay, my journey in cryptocurrency started back in, I think in the second bull run. That should, yeah.
Hold on.
Okay. I think okay, fine. Okay, fine. Let me say my cryptocurrency journey started back in 2018.
That is better. Thank you.
Yeah,
Go
back
ahead.
in 2018. So how did I come about cryptocurrency? I think back then we were mining one coin. Was it there's one coin we were actually mining though, but I don't want to bring it on the air because like so that you not
Okay.
ask me, I should start explaining. So someone introduced me and I started and all those stuff. But before then I've been dealing with cryptocurrency, but I don't really pay full attention to it. But I started my I pay more full attention into crypto, like my full time being a crypto investor in 2018.
Okay, so there's a full-time crypto
Trader
and a part-time.
Yeah.
So you're full-time now.
Yeah, I'm a
like you wake
full-time
up every morning
to
and it's
trade
crypto.
crypto. I don't do anything.
else.
I'm jobless, and when I'm jobless to any other thing, I just do crypto.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
so there are full-time crypto traders and there are part-time crypto traders. Now, someone that is working 5 to 9 job can do crypto. Take for instance, he can buy and hold and wait to sell.
Okay.
But someone like me can trade on memes coin, like the gen tokens.
Okay.
Now I need to be on my PC. I need to be on my phone,
All the
checking
time.
checking the chat of my phone because that is my job.
Okay.
Do you understand? So I trade every
So
day.
you're self-employed, trading for yourself.
Yes,
Round the
exactly.
clock.
Yeah.
Please let's understand. Now, cryptocurrency has different aspects: the buying and the trading, the investing, the whatever. What other ways? What are the ways you can make money with crypto? If somebody says now, "I want to get into crypto," what are the ways they can make money in crypto? What are the options available?
Okay, so for cryptocurrency, let me just start from where he stopped. So we have two different aspects of investment in cryptocurrency. We have day-to-day traders, we call them day traders, like what he does.
Yeah.
Waking up every day, right, and then trading. The second aspect is long-term investment, right?
Okay.
So for cryptocurrencies, the first part is you can see it as a financial instrument. How do I mean? So a financial instrument is an instrument that you use for investment purposes, right? So the gold, the stock that you invest in, Zenith Bank stock, Access Bank stock, and stuff like that. Those are financial instruments.
Okay.
You can see crypto as a financial instrument. Now, depending on your sentiment as the trader, you can say, okay, I want to invest, I want to trade every day, and my target is 5% every day. So I invest 100 naira. At the end of the day, I make 5 naira, so 105 naira, and I'm done. Right? That's
Okay.
it. You can also decide to say, okay, I want to see this as a financial instrument for long-term investments. I want to buy this asset today, and I don't care about what happens within 1 year. I don't care about what happens within 5 years. I'm targeting 10 years or 8 years, and I invest monthly based on my strategy. These are the different ways that one can invest. Now, from the point of value exchange, cryptocurrency can also be seen as a money type of money. So I carry out businesses online, and for for exchange of value. Instead of you looking for instance, I want to partner with somebody in the US, and I know that for us to settle, I need USD. It's scarce.
Okay.
Instead of us to settle with USD, I can tell them, hey, Alpha, please, can you get Solana, type of cryptocurrency? Can you get BTC? Can you get USDT? And send to me. That way, I'm seeing it as a way of exchanging value for a transaction. So these are the different ways that we can actually make money from cryptocurrency.
Okay, so breaking that down, you can decide to wake up, buy and sell every day. Doesn't mean the value changes every day.
Okay, so the value changes every day. Yes,
Every day.
Depending on the market's demand, depending on the market supply, the value changes.
Wow, thank God for dollar. Okay.
So, for instance, BTC, as of, he said 2008, that was like the second or the third bull run. So a bull run is basically, what happens within a bull run is, every 4 years, the market sentiment of crypto, BTC as a father crypto, is that every 4 years, the supply of BTC is meant to go down. Economics, demand and supply.
Okay.
Right, so you know that if a good is scarce, the ability of it to be expensive or valuable increases. So the total supply of BTC is 21 million, and the first BTC was mined in 2009. So I was saying that from now to 100 days from now, the last BTC will be mined in 2100 or 2110, or I think I forgot, around 2110 or 2100, right? So every 4 years, the amount that enters the industry drops by 50%, halving. So 2009 it was 50 every 10 minutes being supplied to the industry, right? 2012 it drops to 25 being supplied into the industry every 10 minutes when the block is added to the blockchain.
Okay, so let me bring it back to so people not getting lost in this. Okay, so cryptocurrency is one of the ways you can make money using tech. We have established that. Now, in using cryptocurrency, you can decide to buy and sell. And then you can decide to invest long time, right? Invest in it long time. Now, the investment part is not like you're giving a company to invest in for you. You can buy and keep the cryptocurrency for yourself, and then you wait over time as it appreciates, and then you sell off and make a huge profit from it. The same way people would buy land and keep, and then after a couple of years they can sell that land. However, whether you're buying and selling or you're investing in it, it is a value that people would always want to exchange for money. So it is still your money, but in a different form online. Have you gotten that right so far? Good. So now what you just explained about BTC is the fact that the bull runs is the fact that there is a certain economic statistics that says this thing will change over a certain time, and so buying and holding gives you a potential of making a lot of money from it, right? Now it brings us back, because while the world of cryptocurrency is very exciting for a lot of people, some of us that don't trade cryptocurrency have heard about the pitfalls, the massive pitfalls and loss of money from cryptocurrency. So please help us explain the risk. Over to you now. Explain one or two of the risks involved in trading cryptocurrency.
Okay. Trading cryptocurrency, to be honest, there are actually risks involved. But I can't regret being a crypto investor.
No, Why? It's not about you regretting now. It's about the audience listening, understanding the risk involved before they make a decision to get into it or not.
Now, the risks involved in crypto trading is just when you don't have the right knowledge. Like when you don't have the right
Basically,
knowledge.
you need to have the knowledge before getting in.
Yeah. So you need to have the fundamental knowledge before you trade any crypto asset. Now, what I wanted to say previously is that as I'm a crypto investor, and everybody knows that the best way to multiply your capital is by investment.
Okay. Do
you understand? So the best way on earth anybody can multiply his or capital is through investment, and it is not by that I'm a crypto investor. Do you understand? Now, cryptocurrency as a tech company to me, I feel like I feel like it's the best company anybody can be, because anything there is risk, there is also 100, yes, there is also 100% reward. Do you understand? Cryptocurrency, to me, some people feel like it is betting. Cryptocurrency is not betting. Do you know why? It is not betting because in betting, once the game is done, you have two options. You either lose or you win.
Okay.
But in cryptocurrency investment, only in the case of that project is being rocked. But in as much as the project is not rocked, if it doesn't produce result this year, it's going to produce next year. If it doesn't produce next year, it's going to produce upper year. So in cryptocurrency investment, it is very simple. Your ability to buy and your ability to hold is what determines your profit.
And your ability to sell.
Yes, your ability to buy and hold is what determines your profit. So once you buy, you hold, you can sell.
Okay, so the risk involved in cryptocurrency is dependent on the individual.
Yes.
So if you get greedy as an individual, then you just increase your risk level of losing what you're investing in.
Exactly.
So if you're not greedy and you manage a certain threshold, you would stay safer with cryptocurrency. Is that the understanding?
There's another thing I want to add here. Okay. Now, when it comes to holding a cryptocurrency project, any project at all, now your profit target is not my profit target.
Okay.
Now, your profit target differs from my profit target.
It can make it more riskier.
Yes. It can make it more riskier or more profitable.
Thank you. Let me go over to you. Share one or two bits of the risk in cryptocurrency.
The most important thing is to do your due diligence. It is very, very important. Due diligence about that particular project. What is the project used for?
What do you refer to as a project now?
So a project is a coin.
Okay.
Right? What is a coin used for? For instance, BTC. What is the dynamics?
BTC is Bitcoin.
Bitcoin, yes.
Okay.
What is the dynamics of this particular coin, right? The second one is, what is utility? Coins are valuable when people use them for something. Do people use this particular coin for something? What do they use it for?
Okay.
The same way that we use gold for different stuff. The same way we use naira for different stuff. Is there any utility to this particular coin? Then the third one is, this coin, does it have an ecosystem? Of people, products, do you understand? Communities that talk about this project.
Okay.
Because the ecosystem will act as the marketing vehicle of that particular project or the coin, right? So if the coin that you're trying to invest in has these, then you know that the particular project might be a very good one.
Okay, so if you're listening to the show, we're talking about ways you can make money in tech, and our topic today is cryptocurrency. We're trying to understand what cryptocurrency is, understanding the risk, and why you may or may not want to get into cryptocurrency. And we have two guests in the show that have been doing justice to the topic of cryptocurrency. Now let's get to the next question. Is there somewhere, because like when you trade in forex, foreign currencies, there are always market indicators that will tell you when a certain currency is going up or down. Like here now, we rely on Aboki, So in cryptocurrency, are there indicators, or is there somewhere I can go to get hints on whether the price is going up or down in order to stay safer while investing in crypto?
Yeah, one of the best tools that we use is CoinMarketCap. It's an app. You can check it out.
Okay, the app is CoinMarketCap.
Yeah, CoinMarketCap. Shows you everything about a particular cryptocurrency. Right? Okay. You can read about it. You can see the price dynamics, upward movement, downward movement. You can use that to analyze and stuff.
Okay, so let me repeat that for those that are listening on the show. If you want to get into cryptocurrency and you want to get certain indicators, or you want to be in a place where you can be seeing what is happening about a certain coin or assets, then you should be going to CoinMarketCap.
Yes.
You can search for CoinMarketCap online, and then they also have a mobile app on your phone that can give you these details. Okay, let's get to you, Oga. How much do you think I can invest in crypto? Like, what's the least amount I can invest in a cryptocurrency after listening to this show, and I want to give it a try?
Okay, as an investor, you can invest even $1. You can invest. You can even start crypto with $1. But the point is, the higher your capital, the higher your margin of profit.
Okay.
Do you understand?
And the higher the risk.
The higher the
Let's not
capital,
always forget the risk about this.
Now, let me tell you something. To me, I feel like
No, you're already a vet in this thing.
Okay.
We're talking about people who
are about to start.
who don't know anything.
Anything.
Even people leaving their money in the banks, people are scared.
okay.
Yeah. Even online banks, people want to see the bank and hold the bank's wall.
The building.
The building of the bank. Now the bank with these online banks, they don't want to. We don't want to mention names.
Yeah.
There's some people are still scared of these online banks without physical offices. They still prefer
True.
the old ones. So even this one is even people will be saying
Okay,
wow.
so what I would advise for this,
Yeah.
right? So we have two different types of exchanges. We have a centralized exchange and a decentralized exchange, right? So for a centralized exchange, the company holds your secret keys to an extent. They control how money moves and stuff like that.
Okay.
For a decentralized exchange, you personally, you're being plugged to the blockchain directly.
So it means
Nobody is the middleman. Just you and the blockchain.
Okay, so you're not using any particular company.
No company can have access. Do you understand? So
Okay.
you can, I think wallets like that should be trusts. But now what those wallets do is that you can hold the assets there, but the buying and the selling, you can
Because
go to
what
a
is it called?
centralized exchange, you buy, sell, and then send it to that particular DEX, right? So that is how you can do it. And then if you want to enter, it's a very simple thing. If you have a budget, that is, I will start from the budgeting. If I earn 100,000 in a month, I can decide to say that I'm going to keep 5,000 for investment every month.
Okay.
If I buy data, 5k, that money will go. I can now say, okay, for my investment portfolio, 5,000. From that 5,000, you can now start investing in tokens, not just tokens, please. Like I said, due diligence.
Yeah.
Know the assets you want to invest in, what they use it for, and continue monthly. Give it 4 years. Give it 4 years.
that's a long-term investment.
That's a long term.
Yes.
So, but from what I'm getting, from what I'm smelling now, Lucas,
Yes.
anyone who intends to go into crypto needs to go to school.
Yes, need to learn
There's
first.
a school of thought.
Yeah.
It's something you have to do and learn, study, know
Yeah.
before you start. You
Before you
just
get
don't
involved.
jump in.
Yeah.
Because from when he said the second dip or bull run, I'm like, whoa, who talks like this?
That
This is a new world.
there are attempts to it. There are
Yeah,
attempts to it.
so for anybody to engage in crypto, you need to go and learn the terminologies, know what it means, understand the risks before you even kick in.
Yeah, that takes me back to I had a developer in my office,
Okay.
right? That he's a software developer in the hub, but he's also involved in forex.
Okay.
And he kept telling me to do forex. I said, this forex, I can't do it. I already have my tech things to deal with. I can't do forex. And he was encouraging me and showed me how he made $185 in one day.
Okay.
And
Okay.
okay, now it got interested.
Yeah.
And I said, okay, share the details with me. The guy shared a 3 gig folder of videos that he had to study
Okay.
before getting into forex.
Okay.
So bringing it back to what we are talking about now, Nigerians are very hasty to join things quickly when they hear it makes money,
Okay, yeah.
rather than paying attention to the learning.
Yeah.
So if you're listening to the show right now,
Yeah.
we are about rounding up the show by sharing the knowledge that you have to learn before getting into the world of cryptocurrency. You have to spend time understanding the coins, understanding the assets, understanding how it works, and you can start the journey with the coin market cap online, getting the app and seeing what it does, and then pick it up from there.
Yeah.
Thank you for joining us on the show today,
Yeah, thank you
and
very
thank
much.
you Zubi for having us.
Thank you.
This is the StartItup show every Tuesday 9:30 prompt. See you next Tuesday.